At QUT, we want to support you to become more enterprising. Actually, we want to help you to become more enterprising for the rest of your life. To do this, we have developed an Enterprise Award designed to help you reflect on your past enterprising efforts as well as help you in your current and future efforts at being enterprising. The award is structured so that you can seek to claim it reflecting after your action or reflecting during your action. So regardless of whether you've done something in the immediate past that you would like to now reflect on to claim the award, or you're in the process of planning something and you would like the assistance of the award structure to help you navigate that process, we've got you covered. The Enterprise Award has been designed to help you develop the cognitive skills most associated with enterprising and entrepreneurial behaviour. The Enterprise Award does not discriminate between success and failure. Indeed, there are many arguments to say that we can all learn more from our failures than we can our successes. Perhaps you're wondering about what activities that we regard as enterprising. Look, it could be something as simple as building a website. It could be writing your own book and publishing it. It could be something that you're doing in your community to help other people. It could be a personal project that you're doing for your own gain. It could be a crowdfunding project that you're trying to get support from. It could be a freelancer project where you're actually using some of the skills that you have now or you're building up to work your way into the world of work. So we have thought of 6 so far, and we are always open to suggestions. So feel free to challenge us with more activities that you believe are also enterprising. I'm sure there are more. The logic of the Enterprise Award is quite simple. Rather than just doing enterprising things, we want to help you to understand what you have learned. We want to help you to demonstrate your application of several competencies. And finally, we want to help you to produce an artifact of your enterprising activity so that you can provide leadership to other students around you. So, what are these competencies, I can hear you asking? Well, we have split the competencies into 9 enterprising competencies and 8 entrepreneurial competencies. So let's look at the enterprising ones first. We have competencies related to creative problem solving, doing research, tolerance of ambiguity, teamwork, decision making, imagery recognition, persuasive communication, metacognition, and self-negotiated action. You'll notice that some of the competencies have a yellow star, and I'll explain that in a moment. But first, let's look at the entrepreneurial competencies. Here we have opportunity recognition, opportunity assessment, selling, resource versatility, value creation, resource coordination, entrepreneurial leadership, and networking. So, let's return to those stars. To be awarded the Enterprise Award, your application must address all 8 starred competencies and any 4 of the other 9 unstarred enterprising or entrepreneurial competencies. We recognize the 8 starred competencies as being essential to any enterprising act, even if you are only really contemplating the competency in retrospect. We can imagine that after the event, after the activity you've engaged in, you might realize that you should have considered the process of opportunity assessment. Well, we believe you have much to gain by revisiting the process in retrospect and contemplating how such a process may have altered the trajectory of your enterprising behavior. In contrast, if you are planning an enterprising activity, we want to assist you to be mindful of the importance of factoring in this step into your actions. So the Enterprise Award challenges you with retrospective questions if you are seeking the award retrospectively, and formative questions if you are using it to guide your current and future action. That said, we expect students seeking the award would draw upon both types of questions from time to time, depending on the actual journey they're undertaking. In terms of navigating your way around to find the information required, check out the tabs that essentially read the word More. So M stands for modules. So here you'll find the definitions of all of the competencies and the necessary abilities that we would expect you to be able to reflect and demonstrate upon. Organisation relates to your ability to create your own personal roadmap. Here you'll also find information on the workshops which will be run and supporting the Enterprise Award. The necessary contacts that you need to be communicating with, and your opportunity to sign up on our email list so that you can be part of the process of the award as well. There's also resources here for you in relation to reflection and being able to develop the metacognition skills which are necessary for you to actually demonstrate the learning associated with your enterprising actions. And finally, the evidence tab will allow you to be guided through that process of how to document your journey, either in retrospect or in real time. So I hope that gives you a really good understanding of what the Enterprise Award is about, and we hope to meet you soon.